Welcome to this lecture. This lecture is about introduction to the course. This is Muhammad Fahim Irfan. Once again, welcome to this amazing course. First question that is in your mind, why this is right platform for you? Because we are going to cover basic and advanced concepts in this course with real life examples. This course will change your way of thinking in programming field. Why Go language? Go language compilation time is fast than other languages. Also, Go is becoming popular language. Go language is powered by Google. In this course, we are going to discuss both theory and practical work. First, I will explain theory about the topic, then we will work on it practically. Theory plus practical, like example is here. Here is the amazing outline. In section number 1, which is basic concepts, introduction to Go language, Go versus Python language, installation on your computer, basic structure of Go language, which is very interesting for you, variables and data types, package level variables, constant variables. In section number 2, conditional statements, if condition, if else condition, if else if condition, nested if, and switch statement with practical examples. Loops, for with all functionalities in Go language. Basically, for is only one loop in Go language. Nested for loop with example of bubble sort. In section number 4, which is about functions, introduction to recursion, typecasting, strings and time. This section is all about basic and advanced concepts. And here is the section number 5, which is data structure section. This is my favorite section. In this section, we are going to learn about arrays, slice, map, structure. Believe me, these are the very interesting topics for you. I hope you will enjoy this course, because this course is all about programming logics. Thank you for watching this course.